Looking like a beautiful day today. Just unloading some of last night's canola. Jeff just headed up in the Super B. Randy should be bringing home the Volvo, which we left at the field last night, but the other boys headed up. Should be good to go anytime soon. Wasn't much of a do. Yeah, beautiful day. Beautiful day to finish harvest. Got the peat out here. Yeah, unfortunately, I'm on the wrong side of the creek. I see there's a mechanic from Deere out here, John Deere. He was over there looking at that green machine, the field we're at last night. He just cut across. Looks like he's going to look at the other one. Hopefully it's nothing major. Don't like that one's not moving yet, though. Made it to the cards. Not a real rush for the cart, as there is just one combine rolling. That guy's full enough. Steady as she goes, Larry. One man show. Kind of an ugly spot. There are a few of them. A few low spots that got flooded out of this field, unfortunately. Good news. Bruce has moved. I can't see his combine anymore. Oh yeah, there's no dust. Oh yeah, he's rolling. Nice. Nuts. Bruce did not carry on very long before his combine started acting up. You can see him looking out there, something to do with the header. Randy's still laid up as well in the field from last night. Good news. Randy got his combine fixed up. I was just running back with him so we could have a truck over here. And Bruce is also rolling. Right on, the guys have finished the last of the creek piece. Randy's already headed up the road to open up a spot. We'll get these combines moved up and then I'll come back and get the cart. Okay, we are all but moved over. Larry said he dug up a giant rock, bent up a guard. We got the wrong spares there, so Jeff just took the Super B back to the shop as it was full, and he took Larry with him. So we got Bruce and Randy rolling. Not good. That's Bruce's combine. His right spreader stopped working. That's what we were just looking at. He was getting a message, so he stopped to look. And it was still spinning when it was going slow, but when he revved up, it stopped. So there's an issue there. Not sure if we can get a mechanic out at this hour on a Friday. It's 4:30ish. Just Randy rolling right now. Well, as far as I know, Randy is still rolling. Bruce, unfortunately, is done. Back in the cart here, Randy is our lone combiner. That's how your spreader should work. Both sides.
Let's do it.
Empty cart anyways, so lots. Oh, the wind. Looks like Larry's back. Go see if he needs a hand. Probably have it on by the time I get there. Oh yeah, he's already running. Okay, right on. Oh, and there's Allie and the boys. Right on, Larry. Right on. Well, we just got to get a clear shot here because my windows are so dirty.
You need to talk to it. Hi. Need you talk to say
You think-
something? Say I'm talking in a video and say we're doing something. This is Nikolai and we're out on the farm and this is the favorite combining and we got had a phone. We have a phone with you. We also see Papa and our auger out and my grandma are here. On campus phone. We need to go over to campus phone. One of the big machinery does nakapos. The green machine is photo. Your machine got correct teeth.
Oops. Oh, I'm going crooked. Good thing you're not capturing this.
I am. We are a bit crooked.
Okay, we're back
Okay,
straight.
now.
We're cruising. Ah, that was fun. Entertaining cart ride. Just filling up the Volvo now. Boys had to go. Just Larry and Randy at it now. Jeff's on his way back up with Super B. We shall finish tonight. Well, thanks, Allie, by the way, and Alfred for the beer and pizza, and Ann. Better say hello to Uncle Uli, Uncle Kenny, watching way on the east coast of Canada, way over in Cyprus, Greece. Amazing. Hey guys, hope you're still watching and enjoying. It's going great. Not much between them. Almost there, boys. What's this guy going? Got a sweet moon tonight. That's what all the donuts were about. Sick. All right, gonna have to get out of the warmth here. Popping bottles. You too, Randy. Good year, good year.
Oh, cheers, guys.
Cheers, boys. Yes.
All right, let's go home.
Yeah. Woo. Are we done?